Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to book a cruise on Expedia. So first we're going to go to our Expedia app. You guys can find it on the Play Store or App Store. So once you're here, we're going to click on cruises. So as you can see, it's going to show us the deals as well as popular cruise destinations. You guys can check them out as well as the most popular cruise lines. So next you're going to decide where you're going to go. So I selected the Bahamas. Then next you're going to click on the departure dates. You're going to select your start date as well as your end date. Then once you're done, you're going to click on done. Then next you're going to select the duration of nights. For us to 5 nights is going to be enough. Then we're going to click on search. Then it's going to show us the best deals. As you can see, this is the best deal to have. You can select the cruise line you want, your ship, as well as your departure port. As you can see, it's also going to offer you different deals. So depending on your preference, you can select the one you want. As I said, you can select your ship as well as the departure port. Then next we're going to click on book. So next it's going to tell us the guest information. We're going to insert how many adults we have as well as children if there are any. And it's going to tell us the price per person. Then next we're going to select the state for the guest residency. I selected Florida for its convenience. So once we're done with this information, we're going to click on continue. So next it's going to show us the category. So the type of rooms they have. So depending on our preference, when we find what we want, we're going to click on book now. As you can see, the deposits are non-refundable. So we're going to click on continue. Then next, they're going to show us the staterooms. So after you find the stateroom you want, depending on your preference and availability, we're going to click on book now. Lastly, we are on the checkout section. So it's going to show us our itinerary, the price details, the payment info. So this is where we pay. So we also have to insert passenger details of everyone we have on board. So once we're done, we're going to click on continue to payment. So this is a long process, but this is how we do it. Make sure to check our other videos as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.